We're here in our spot. I see structure here. It's going to be a good place to try. Hoping to find some fish today. Let's get in our waders.
Hello everyone. Today we are on the beach in Texas and we are going to be doing some shark fishing. We're going to start with some really small bait, work our way up, and hopefully catch something big. Nice overcast day out. We've got our bait all set up and we'll show you what's going on.
Hey guys, so I have designed and handmade a whole bunch of products to help you guys get on fish right away. If you haven't seen our website before, heyskipperfishing.com, go ahead and check it out because we've got lots of stuff for you. Come on. Woo! I had a whiting on here. I wonder what bit it. A big catfish. Now I know some people who love to eat catfish. Maybe we'll give it a try. That's a pretty good size one. If not, I can always drone it out. What? Yeah. I'm getting bites as soon as I cast it. I don't even have time to cast out my other rods. But let's see what it is. It's eating. Eating. Woo! Okay, so something big's on here. You can tell because it's pulling the dry. Listen to that. Now, set it to strike. Oh, I'm on! I'm on! Something really far out there bit it. It's crazy when it swims towards you, but it feels like nothing. Try, Aaron.
Sure.
You try for a little bit and I'll finish them off, okay?
Okay.
You just reel it right on here.
Okay.
Alright, we're switching off. There we go, Aaron. Is it big? It's swimming towards you, that's why. Tell me when you feel it. It looks like you're feeling it. It's more than just weight on there. I think it's swimming. You're kind of scared. Look at that big reel right here. no way it's gonna escape this big reel. There's no way it got off yet. I think
I
it
was
was.
just saying if it's nothing.
Oh, it's a big shark!
It's something!
It's something for sure. It was just swimming back the whole time. Woo! It's a big one! Whoa! This thing is huge! It's massive! Holy crap! Woo! Oh.
Oh my god! De-hooker! Wow.
Quick measurement, tag it, and release it really quickly, okay?
Alright, okay.
Alright. 5 foot at the 4'9" at the fork. Oh, whoa, easy there, easy there. Alright guys, this is a big ass shark right here. Ah, that's what we're coming here for. Something big like this. But when you're fighting something big, you gotta make sure you take care of it. And that means getting it back in the water as soon as you can. Sign, seal, deliver. We got a tag too. Woo! Caught a small fish. We caught a bigger fish using the small fish. And then caught a massive fish using that fish. That is exactly why I like coming out here to the beach, because you never know what kind of fish you're gonna get. That thing was huge. That's bigger than some women. That's over 5 feet. That's 5'4".
This is bigger than some of my aunties.
That is definitely bigger than some of my aunties. And that's how you catch something big at the beach. So, catching a shark, it's important for me that I do something to help with the conservation of these species of fish. It's not just a matter of catching them for fun, but for me, I like to tag them. And tagging them is helpful for scientists and people who are researching the sharks to be able to tell how big sharks grow, where they migrate, how long it took for them to grow that size, and I think it's a great contribution to the fishing ecosystem. If you're trying shark fishing for yourself, first of all, make sure you take a shark fishing course. Don't just go and try this by yourself. Don't just go out willy-nilly and wing it, because you can hurt the shark, you can hurt yourself really badly. I know on the Florida website there's a course that teaches you how to catch sharks. In this course, if you take it, you'll learn a lot of different safety measures and how to tag the fish and actually how to help. I suggest you check that out. Wow, crazy day. It took a turn. I thought I wasn't gonna catch anything. I was just catching catfish nonstop. But using that catfish, I was able to catch a huge shark. And that's some really fun action to get on while you're at the beach. Whether you're catching redfish, black drum, whiting, shark, it's always fun to catch something. And I want to thank you guys for helping me be here right now. Without you guys, we wouldn't be able to travel around and continue to fish like this. Here at Hey Skipper, we want to help you get on fish. Whether it be shark, whether it be bait fish, whether it be fish to eat for dinner, it doesn't matter. We love catching fish, and we want to share with you our love for nature, our love for fishing, and it's a very awesome hobby that I think you should get into. If you want to learn how to do more fishing, check out our website, heyskipperfishing.com. We sell every single kind of rig that we were using today on our website. We also sell all the different kinds of baits that we use. Hey, I actually used all of these things. It's not like I'm just making it and selling it. This is actually something to solve my own problems. And now I've made them in bulk so I can help you. All you gotta do, buy a 10-pack of each of our rigs, buy some of our bait, come out, and you'll start getting on fish right away. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.